Paradise usually has its limits, but I don't think anyone has told Ha Long Bay. For the next 48 hours, I'm on the warm waters of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Vietnam's top travel destinations. Every year, over 8 million tourists come here. Cruise boats, floating hotels, seafood restaurants. In total, Ha Long Bay tourism generates $1.6 billion for the local economy, roughly the same as Monaco. Tourism's cash flow is obvious. The environmental price tag, not so much. The debt is on the table, but everyone is trying to ignore it. On any given day, nearly 500 tour boats cut through the bay. Wastewater, fuel emissions, and a lot of plastic shit. I need a nap. I wake to the slap of water against steel. On deck, the chef is teaching a cooking class to a bunch of tipsy wine drinkers. Being social feels like a chore these days, so I slid past the noise. Above the surface, these limestone karsts rise majestically. Below, the marine ecosystem doesn't have a chance. Can Ha Long Bay sustain this level of tourism? Or are we slowly loving it to death? The fragile beauty Vietnam is trying to preserve is evident. But maybe the balance isn't purity. Maybe it's tension. Between economic growth and environmental conservation. Between access and restraint. Sustainable tourism, externalities, moral trade-offs. Those are questions for PhDs. To eat or not to eat? That's the question for Vietnam. It's a matter of survival. They need this money. The rub is marine life doesn't care about theories or profits. It exhales into the dark indifferent. Its reality is a one-way trip. All I can say is what I see. Welcome to social consciousness.